Now it's not going to be very much fun of a quiz if I constantly ask the same question all the time. So the last thing I need to do on this quiz button is I need to add a thing which says, right, now reset number 1 and number 2. So if I go down here and I can see the code. Now the code I've actually used before. I used it on the very first page to set the 2 numbers up. So I've actually just copied and pasted that from the first page. So Control C and go to here and Control V, and what it's saying is set number 1 to the integer value you get. You add 1 to 10 times the random number. So if you remember, the random number is always going to be between 1 and 0. So to turn that into an integer number between 1 and 10, we multiply it by 10 and add 1. Okay, and then the parsing does that. So if I save that and try it out, the answer is 15. It's wrong, but it's now set the 2 numbers to 5 and 9. Okay, the answer is 14. It's set them to 8 and 7. So each time I click on it now, it's changing, and it should keep going until keep constantly setting numbers. I have to get one right though, I think, by accident. Until it's got to 10, in which case I got 0 out of 10. Okay, so if I go back to here, if I put in 13, I get the right answer. And if I go to here, oh, 1 and 11. So that's going to be an issue, because actually if I go backwards and forwards between it, once it's gone past 10, 11 isn't equal to 10, so it's going to jump on. So I also need to say, once you've got to 10, you need to jump back to the beginning of the game, and you need to reset all of these numbers back down to 0.